Implementing Agile project management can transform the way your team works, but it requires careful planning and commitment. If you're ready to make the shift, here's how you can successfully implement Agile in your team.
The first step, educate your team. Make sure everyone understands the principles behind Agile, like Scrum, Kanban, and the Agile Manifesto. Training sessions or workshops are key to getting everyone on board. And if needed, consider hiring an Agile coach to guide the transition.
Don't try to overhaul everything at once. Start small. Begin with one project or team to test the waters. This approach lets you identify challenges and refine your process before scaling Agile across the organization.
Next, choose the right framework for your needs. Scrum is perfect for complex projects with changing requirements, while Kanban suits ongoing tasks like support work. For larger organizations, Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, might be the best fit.
Clearly define roles within your team. In Scrum, for example, you'll need a product owner to prioritize the backlog, a Scrum Master to facilitate processes, and a development team to deliver results. Clear roles ensure accountability and smooth collaboration.
Once Agile is up and running, track progress using metrics like velocity, cycle time, and throughput. Regular retrospectives will help identify areas for improvement, so your team keeps refining its processes.
Finally, foster a culture of continuous improvement. Agile isn't just a one-time change, it's an ongoing journey. Encourage experimentation, learning from mistakes, and refining workflows to keep growing stronger as a team.
By following these steps, you'll create a more adaptive, efficient, and collaborative team. Ready to embrace Agile? Your journey starts today.